Hi there, I'm Lisa Arana, and thank you so much for joining me for another Assemble This video. Today is all about a fun die cut masking hack that makes adding color to your die cuts so easy. So stick around as we assemble this card with some really cute stamps and a fun layout that anyone can do. Let's start out by getting our die cuts ready. I'm using the scallops and circles nesting dies from Unity Stamp Company. They have this really cute small scalloped edge with stitching. Just going to put those down on some Nina Solar White cardstock and die cut those out. I could have kept them on the paper, but I was thinking ahead and I wanted to keep the bottom one for um, a guide for when I do the stamping. So I cut those apart. I'm going to save that bottom circle for later. Now I'm just realigning my metal die over my die cut and I'm taping it down to my surface for ink blending. You want to make sure that tape does not get on the inside of your die, otherwise it'll mess up your ink blend. And then I'm just building up color around the edge of the die, doing nice light strokes and building up layer after layer, leaving the center of the die more white because I want that kind of highlight effect. And that's it. That's how easy this is. And you have a perfectly masked center ink blend for your circles. It is so easy to do and such a fun way to add some color to your die cuts. I grabbed the Wishing and Wishing stamp set from Unity Stamp Company with this really adorable mouse hanging from a dandelion. And I'm just stamping him with amalgam ink from Gina K because I will be doing some Copic coloring. I stamped him on some Nina Solar White cardstock, and then I'm using that die cut guide that I saved from earlier to stamp my sentiment on just some scrap copy paper, line up the guide, put my die cut in the hole, and then stamp my sentiment so I have perfect alignment. Then I grabbed some Copic colors and colored up my little mouse. I'll have those listed on my blog, and then fussy cut him out with my scissors. And here he is, all colored up and ready to be added to our card. I just added some foam tape behind my circles and placed them kind of how I wanted them on the card. I wanted that sentiment to overlap the other circle, but I wanted to leave enough room for the mouse to be on that green circle. So I placed those down with foam adhesive, added the cute little mouse on top with foam adhesive as well, and then finished everything off with a few enamel dots and coordinating colors. And here is the finished card. It was so easy to do. This is a great card for beginners and a fun way to add color to your die cuts in a super easy way. You can find the list of supplies I use in the description of this video or on my blog, dollhouse-designs.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all my future video tutorials. And I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye.